In this video, we'll generate the shifted Legendre polynomials using Taylor-Maclaurin series. Here we have the summation of the shifted polynomial y equals a times negative x to the power k. And a is our coefficient, while k is from 0 to n, and n is data validation 0 to 5. And the value of k will be equal to sequence n plus 1 column starting from 0 incremented by 1. So that at n equals 0, k equals 0. N equals 1, k equals 0, 1. N equals 2, k equals 0, 1, 2. N equals 3, k is 0, 1, 2, 3. And we enter the expansion. So array formula, series sum of the x value. This time it's negative x. So minus x raised to the power k. And our value of k starts from 0 incremented by 1. So that's 0 incremented by 1. And the coefficient will be this range. And here's the trend line equation, which is the shifted Legendre polynomial to the degree 10. And the trend line of the shifted Legendre polynomial. Next, we complete the coefficient. So array formula, minus 1 to the power n times combina n minus k plus 1 comma k. And you enter that. So if this is empty, this should be 0. So we'll correct this. So if k is empty, so if k is empty, zero, otherwise calculate. Now we have corrected the problem. Next, we continue, complete the coefficient. So times combine n plus k, so n plus k, our k is this range, n plus k, comma k, comma k. So we begin with, we start now from 0. Our polynomial y, shifted Legendre polynomial y equals 1, that's 1, y equals 1. At n equals 2 or 1, our shifted Legendre polynomial y equals minus 1 plus 2x, minus 1 plus 2x. At n equals 3 or 2, our shifted Legendre polynomial y equals 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. At n equals 3. That's y equals minus 1, it's minus 1 plus 12x minus 30x squared plus 20x cubed. N equals 4. N equals 4, y equals 1 plus minus 20x plus 90x squared, this is 90x squared, minus 140x cubed plus 70x to the fourth. N equals 5. So that's minus 1 plus 30x minus 210x squared plus 560x cubed minus 630x to the fourth plus 252x to the fifth. This completes the use of Taylor-Maclaurin series sum, combina and combine function, and the LINEST polynomial regression to complete or to generate the trend line and the trend line equations of shifted Legendre polynomials.